It's afternoon, I'm home, and I'm getting ready to see if there's any potatoes in here because I'm hungry, basically. And I've never dug my potatoes, so I'll dig and see if there's anything down there. And the vines died a while back, and I had tomatoes growing on top. And I'm just going to push all these over here. And yes, there are some rose bushes growing in the middle of here. There's some pink floribundas that I brought from Virginia about 18 years ago, and they just grow everywhere. By root runners. And I'm in North Carolina, if you don't know. Hopefully, I'm recording something. It's hard to have a clue because I planted potatoes in 2 layers. So that means, really, they could be way down deep. I did have potato vines come up. Yeah, realistically, I guess potatoes could stay in the ground all year, right? If you don't freeze. But right now, I am not seeing any sign of potatoes, so this could be a fail. If not, at least I get my dirt turned over, right? Ooh, big sand wiggler. Nothing so far, folks. I think I'm getting a little warmer, a little bigger. All right, my camera was full. I had to take some stuff out. Hey, Chris, Darlene, digging potatoes with no shoes on. When you're determined. Man, I know how they felt in the Great Depression. That was something nasty. Some kind of bug I squished. Looking for gold. possibility that I actually planted my potatoes too deep. Oh, I think I just cut through one. Felt something. Should be this way. See some roots. Now we're getting to the red dirt. It's pretty damn deep. Huh. Ray Bear, can you find me some potatoes in here? I actually have some potatoes in the back of my truck. I was going to plant red ones. So, they were growing. You know, one year I planted potatoes over winter, and I had potatoes in the springtime. Yeah, I'm getting down to red dirt now. Not seeing anything. Whew! Just in case y'all can't really get a level on how much dirt I've dug up. You could bury a body up in here. I'm gonna keep digging. How are you doing, Samson? Wow. Wow. Hmm. All right, lesson for me. Don't plant your potatoes so deep.